By working with your anxiety or feelings of panic rather than against it, you can learn to make peace with your physical symptoms and ride the wave of a panic attack through to its natural conclusion. Come back to this video the next time you are panicking and try one of these 3 grounding exercises to help you find calm within the storm of a panic attack. Use your 5 senses to bring your attention back to your surroundings rather than your physical symptoms. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste to help you ground in the present moment. Try box breathing. As you inhale, imagine yourself drawing a horizontal line from left to right. As you exhale, imagine drawing the next side from top to bottom. Inhale again and imagine drawing the third side of the box from right to left. And finally, exhale and imagine drawing the last side of the box from bottom to top. Then repeat as many times as you need to feel grounded. You might also try playing with temperature. Take a hot or cold shower, or drink a hot beverage like tea, coffee, or cocoa. The sharp change in temperature can awaken your nervous system and disrupt the fight or flight response that causes you to panic. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.